How to upload your document to verify your account. Taptap Send. To upload your document to verify your account, follow these steps. Firstly, open the Taptap Send app on your phone. Then log in with your registered phone number or email. Tap the profile or three-dot icon in the top left corner. Select Verify Your Account or Identity Verification and tap Continue to start verification. Choose the document type like passport, national ID, or driver's license. Allow camera or gallery access if the app requests it, and take a clear photo of your document of front and back if needed. Check that the image is clear, well-lit, and complete. Take a selfie if the app asks for a liveness check, and tap Submit to upload your document. Wait for approval notification, usually within minutes to 24 hours. Thanks for watching.